Hi Planner creators. This is going to be a video about how to modify and customize the 2025 planner template that comes included with PDF-Linkr. This is the Keynote version. If you have PDF-Linkr, then just look in the Google Drive and you have this planner template. If you don't have PDF-Linkr and you want this template, there will be a link below this video where you can, number one, purchase the template if that's all you want and you want to still manually hyperlink, or number two, if you want to grab PDF-Linkr and get this template as a bonus. So let's get started. What we're going to do when you open your template, you always want to make a copy. So I'm going to make a copy and I'm going to just name it demo. So there, now we're just going to work with the copy. So that way, if we ever make any mistakes or mess anything up, we can go back to the original. So here's our copy. And what you want to do is you want to go to Edit Slide Layout. And these are effectively our master pages. I want to edit this cover. You can just make it a color or you can insert an image. I'm going to insert an image. So what I'm going to do is go here to, you want to be up here in the style panel on your Keynote, and I want to select image fill, and then I'm going to choose the image that I want to use, and I'm going to use this one. So now that I have my image in there, I want to adjust the opacity slider here to be able to give it that kind of slight rounded edge. And then I'm going to select my planner band and edit that. So I'm just going to grab my little color picker and pick out a color from my template. Oh, I like that. So that looks really nice. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to drag this color swatch so that it will be there and I can duplicate that on all my pages. Perfect. Let's go to our Monday Start calendar overview. And I'm going to select the background and choose image fill. It's automatically going to put my last selected image in there. So now I'm going to select my planner band and just choose that image that I had. Now to change the tab colors, all these tabs are grouped together, so all you have to do is say ungroup, and then you can change each individual tab color or you can change them all at once. I'm just going to change them all at once. And now I'm going to go to my monthly view and I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to select my background, image fill, select my planner band, use my color, grab my tabs, ungroup them, choose my color. Pretty easy. Same thing now with my weekly Monday Start. I'm going to select my background, image fill. It automatically puts that last selected image in there. My planner band, oop, that one's locked, so just hit unlock. Planner band, grab my tabs, ungroup. It's going to keep them all selected so I can add them and make them all the same color, but you could choose different colors for each tab. You just click on each tab. And then my daily, image fill, my planner band, my tabs, my notes pages, image fill, planner band, tabs. Now my back cover, my image fill. I'm just going to again adjust the opacity just so I get that nice curved edge. Select my planner band, and there we go. Now I can, when I say done here, now here is my complete planner, Monday start, with all of my weekly dates and daily dates, daily pages, all ready to go. Now let me just scroll all the way down here and make sure I have a notes page. So I don't. So if you have this template, all you do is just go to the next to the last page, and here you want to add a notes page. There we go. And now we have our complete planner ready to go. Now how simple was that? You can create a lot of these pretty quickly. So now all you have to do is say File, Export to PDF, and that's it. And now below this video there's going to be a link to another video that shows you how to use PDF-Linkr to add all of the hyperlinks and a link to all of the pre-made CSV files for you. So look for that link, and I'll see you in the next video.